Hey everyone, we have a new feature inside Flowlance and it's a funnels. So let's take a look how to use them. You will find funnels in the left sidebar right here and you can simply create new funnel right here. I will name it like test funnel. I will hit create and this is where you will create your first funnel. So you can add the product and you can simply create new one, or you can go to your store right here and you can click on any product you want and simply move it into the funnel like that. And you will just select on in which funnel you want to move that product that you selected, right? And you can also select if you want to duplicate that product into the funnel or just move it into the store. So it will be no longer in the store and it will only exist in the funnels. So it's up to you. Right now, I will copy that product into the funnel, right? Once I do that, I can see the product as a first thing in the funnel and I can see this whole sales page right here with the checkout and everything. This is basically the storefront product that people will see as a first thing, and this is the thing that you promote, right? This is the thing where you drive your traffic from content, from ads, anything you do to get your customers. Right now, once you have the storefront product, you can add other products to the funnel, right? So you can once again click on add product, and once again you can select if you want to create a new product, or if you have already something existing into the store, you can go to my store and I will select for example for the test purposes another product right here. I will move it to the funnel, to the test funnel. I will copy that product so it will be duplicated into the funnel and it stays in the storefront. So I will click on copy, and right now you can see that I have here another product. This is basically the first upsell of yours. So it should be something related to the first product. For example, if you are a fitness coach, this first product can be a lead magnet or like low ticket digital product like 1 minute exercise for home, right? And this can be a meal preparation, like something related to the first product that the buyer will likely to purchase after they purchase the first one. And you can also add like another upsell. So I will duplicate this product right now and I can just go and edit the product right here. I will make the price for the second upsell a little bit higher. So for example, I will put there $97. I will save it. And right now you can see that I have a front-end product for $17, which could be actually like $7. So I will lower the price right here. And now I have a front-end product for $7. First upsell for $17 and second upsell for $97. And right now how it works, right? When people will purchase the first product in your offer, the low ticket, they will have to put their credit card information right here into the checkout. They will accept your terms of services and they click purchase. Once they click purchase, they get the second product into the funnel, right? This one for the $17, and they can simply decide if they want this product or no. So they can buy it with one click because you already have the credit card information. So this is basically one click purchase, and the people can just buy the product or don't buy. When they buy it, and even if they don't buy it, they will get another upsell, the up to $7. And the products are the same right now, but because this is just the example. But to get you the full perspective, I will show you my actual funnel, which already got some visits and some sales. I have right here the $7 product, first sell blueprint, right? It's my front-end product, right? I have an order bump right here in the checkout, which is a sales page wizard. And I have an order bump for $27 right here, and then I have another order bump for $97. So basically what this thing does is that I have a first front-end offer for $7, but the total value of the whole package which is in the funnel is $148. And when people will purchase it, they get a thank you page with my custom message and all the products that they purchased, right? And email is automatically sent to them, so they will get also all the products into their email automatically, so you don't have to worry about anything. And this is how the funnels work. So you can go right now into the funnels, create your first funnel ever inside Flowlance, and you can basically put there your first front-end offer, the upsell, another upsell, and basically make a lot of more money from one customer that you already have, because your buyers are more likely to buy from you again and again because they already trusted you. So you just need to deliver them the value, and I'm really looking forward to see you to make a lot of more money from one customer than ever before thanks to this feature. So see you in the next video.